nandito tayo sa Cubao at and check out na kami. Ay, mga palis.
Puta Brad, ganun ka kayaman?
Ito kami sa hotel. Last muna kami. So, big free guys sa tayo ng last day. Okay guys. Sabitin natin sa araw. Let's go. So guys, bawal din ang cellphone. So, mag-select yung cellphone baka wala siya. So, yan. Parang yung mamaya.
There must be a good reason that you're gone. Every now and then I think you might want me to come show up at your door, but I'm just too afraid that I'll be wrong. I overthought you, I was okay. Now I can't get you out of my brain. Oh, it's such a shame.
Third time guys. So guys, nandito tayo sa gateway. Wait lang, labo ah. Natin. Ayan, mga Coragon. Let's go. Ayan, dito tayo na yun. Third day. Third day na gala-gala. Kasi mamaya uwi na. Hintay namin yung pinintay yung pinsan. Bibis. Pero kahit saan na tayo guys nakakarating, layo ng ano natin, layo na nararating natin.
Puta Brad, ganun ka kayaman?
Galing kami sa loob. Let's go. Kumaya. So guys, meron ako nakitang buhay dito guys.
Puta Brad, ganun ka kayaman?
Ito kasi nga.
Should've known your love was a game. Now I can't get you out of my brain. Oh, it's such a shame that we don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Oh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do.
Ayun, ganda. Yeah, third time na malignat sa Manila. So, ayun guys, kalimutan ko yung isa. Ito, yung ipakita. Tulay. Kadala. Kulay orange. Kita niyo ba? Ayun. Ganda guys. So guys, nandito tayo sa natures na naman guys. Ay, with fish yan guys. Big fish pa niya no. Fish. Yung ano tayo, parang isang restaurant dyan na maraming fish na gusto niya. Dito yung third day, last day na ano pa dito. So, may vlog pa rin. Okay. So, makayaman. So, dito, sarap ng hangin dito guys. Simoy na hangin. Lamig kasi sa Bicol, sa Mampang. Good stuff. So, peace out guys, mamaya. Bye-bye. Okay guys, shoutout kay Mary Grace. Wala ko kasi kilalang Mary Grace eh. Sino si Mary Grace guys? Comment below. Papasyal natin. Shoutout kay Mary Grace. Tulog. Solid talaga guys. Ayun na yung view guys sa baba. Galing ako dun. Ayun, solid lang. Solid galak guys. Pero wala mo namang shopping kasi di kaya na natin tipid-tipid tayo ah. Tipid-tipid tayo na yan. Walang shopping muna na yun. Okay ah. Dali lang guys ah. Peace. Escalator pa. Yan, shoutout kay Boss Jar. Boss Jar. Dito ako sa Manila. Pa rin. Mamaya dito. So guys, bawal doon ang cellphone kasi nag-select ko ng cellphone makawala dyan. Yan. Bawal naman.
We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Oh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do.
Guys, hindi ko ng cellphone ko. Sorry. Dapat ito sa inyo guys. Advice sa mga mahina puso or malalakas sa puso. Ito na guys. 1, 2, 3. Kita na yung dong baba. Let's go. Yan. Pinasandigan ko pa yan.